Vibe coding. Ito yung nauuso sa mga programmers ngayon, especially sa mga students na sinasabi nilang nahihirapan daw sila sa pagpo-program. Welcome to episode 12 of Project Code Sprint, where I talk about programming topics for 30 days. Vibe coding is you plus AI when you're coding together. Sounds fun, right? But there are good and bad sides of it. First of all, kapag tayo gumagamit ng AI, it's faster for development. AI handles the repetitive code that you are doing right now so that you can just focus on the logic. There's fewer errors. AI suggests the best practices and flags the mistakes. It could be a learning boost for you. Be aware kasi there are certain things na nakakasama kapag gumagamit tayo or naging reliant tayo sa AI. Over-reliance can make you forget your core skills in programming. It can also have a big impact on the project itself. For example, sa security risk ng project mo. Worst case scenario, may finifeed ka pang data na sobrang sensitive or yung tinatawag nating PII. Kung anong finifeed ng tao sa kanya, yun lang ay ang ibabato niya sa'yo. So you might get predictable solutions. You know, vibe coding is powerful if you use AI as a partner and not a replacement.